Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2007 Ford F550. It's a four-wheel drive, 6.0 power stroke diesel. It's got 11-foot IMT Dominator bed, 7,500-pound crane, hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outrigger. It's got a Lincoln welder on it, several toolboxes, 236,000 miles on the truck itself. The engine was replaced with a Ford reman engine. I can't remember right offhand when. It'll be in the description, but Southern truck with no rust. Really nice truck. It's clean. Four-wheel drive. Toolboxes look like they've hardly been used. It's got compartment lights. It's an IMT DA435H hydraulic air compressor. IMT toolbox here. While I'm walking around and show it to you, if you want to ship this truck, I can ship it to you anywhere in the U.S. Shipping price on this is probably going to be about $2 a mile. Shipping has went up, so I used to get it done for about $1, so $1.50. It's a Ranger 250. It's got 218 hours on it. I'll start it up in a minute. If you want to come here and buy the truck, you're welcome to do that. You can drive it out. You got to come Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. On Friday, you got to be here by 3:30 because we close at 3:30 on Friday. When you come, you got to bring certified funds, which means cashier's check, wire transfer, or cash. I prefer wire transfer. If you show up with a regular check or a check on your company name, I can't sell you the truck. It's got to be certified funds. We're not open on the weekend. We're not here on Saturday or Sunday. You got to come Monday through Friday, and it's got to be 7 to 4 Monday through Thursday, and 7 to 3:30 Friday. Start it up. Set your emergency brake. Here's the PTO switch. Here's the compressor switch. crane up, weights down, clockwise, stitching out, stitching in, winch up, clockwise, counterclockwise, and down. Outrigger down. Outrigger down on the other side. Outriggers are down. Up. Up. The compressor has 248 hours, the crane has 12 hours. Start this welder. Welder has 218. $236, $291 on the mileage. Truck's got cruise control, air blows cold. Everything works like it should. If you're interested, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. Give me a call. Thanks for watching.